Hello, I'm Roland. Welcome to my live virtual tour. Here you got the Roman Theatre, one of the many sites I'm going to show you during my tours around Malaga. El Pimpi. This is one of my favorite places here in Malaga. Chin Chin.